Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,999. This short bed is a standout example of late 90s Chevy styling blended with tasteful customization. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance every time. The rare short bed configuration, combined with rear-wheel drive, gives it both a sporty stance and a classic appeal. Its brown exterior is complemented by a clean beige interior, making the cabin just as impressive as its exterior presence. Meticulously cared for over the years, this Silverado offers far more than just good looks. It's reliable enough to serve as a daily driver while polished enough to be shown off at weekend events. For collectors, enthusiasts of custom trucks, or anyone wanting a head-turning ride with true Chevy character, this pickup checks all the boxes.
Number 2.
1995 Ford F250, price $9,200, powered by a strong 460 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives exceptionally well. The truck is equipped with dual fuel tanks and heavy-duty springs, making it more than capable of towing. A fifth-wheel hitch is already installed, perfect for pulling campers or trailers, though it can also be removed to maximize the 8-foot bed for hauling lumber, firewood, or other loads. The white exterior is matched with a clean gray interior that shows remarkable care for its age, with no tears in the seats and no cracks in the dash. Modern convenience has been added with a Bluetooth stereo that supports hands-free calls, and comfort is ensured with cold air conditioning that blows ice cold. Additional features include a trailer brake controller for safer towing. Structurally, the truck is solid with no rust on the body or frame, and it comes with a clean title in hand.
Number 3.
1976 Ford F100, price $10,000, comes equipped with its original Ford 360 V8, a torquey and dependable engine that's always ready to haul. It's paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, and unlike many trucks of its era, this one has working heat and AC. Driving is made easier with power steering and power brakes, offering smooth handling and confident stopping without the heavy effort these classics are often known for. The truck bed is protected with a bedliner, making it ideal for both weekend projects and everyday use, while a large toolbox provides space for tools, tow straps, or even a cooler. A Reese hitch is already installed, ready to pull a boat, camper, or whatever else needs towing. Inside, the truck keeps much of its original character with an all-original interior, though someone along the way added a Sony radio for modern convenience. The bench seat remains in excellent shape, maintaining that classic truck charm. With a clean title in hand, this F100 is straightforward, well-kept, and ready for its next owner to put it to work or simply enjoy. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck has 201,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in red with a matching red interior, the truck runs and drives great, with both the frame and body remaining solid. It is powered by a gasoline engine and still delivers dependable performance. The truck does need a small amount of bodywork, particularly on the driver's door and around the taillights, but nothing major. A fresh paint job would really bring out its full potential. The passenger side of the windshield has a crack, with a replacement quoted at $250 through Safelite.
Like many trucks of its era, the dash has the typical cracks, though it is currently covered by a mat.
Included with the sale is a fiberglass cowl hood, which can be seen pictured in the bed.
Number 5.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,600. This truck is a solid example of a classic obvious Chevy pickup. It has 260,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by the dependable 5.7L TBI V8 engine mated to a 700R4 automatic transmission, making it both strong and reliable. The truck is finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and uniform look. It runs on gasoline and has been kept in good running condition with a number of recent updates, including newer brakes and tires, fresh tune-up components, and an aftermarket radio for modern convenience. The heater works well, providing hot heat during colder months, which adds to the truck's comfort and usability.
Number 6.
1982 Ford F100, price $10,000. This truck is an all-original, rust-free classic powered by a 255 cu and V8 with just 59,000 original miles. It comes fully documented with paperwork tracing back to the dealership, and the clear title is in the seller's name as the third owner. Though 43 years old, the truck has been carefully maintained with many new parts, including tires, freshly painted rims, water pump, alternator, power steering pump and hoses, fuel pump and lines, gas tank with sending unit, brakes with wheel cylinders and hoses, radiator hoses, thermostat and housing, and a rebuilt carburetor, a true, well-preserved pickup. This F100 offers originality, history, and reliable updates in one package.
Number 7.
1989 Ford F350, price $10,000. It has 171,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in gray with a clean red interior, the truck runs on gasoline and is powered by the strong big block 460 engine. It's a 2WD crew cab dually featuring the Centurion package, making it both distinctive and practical. The truck is fitted with dual fuel tanks, both of which are fully functional.
Its factory air conditioning system is intact, requiring only a new compressor to be operational again.
Aside from that minor detail, nearly everything else works perfectly, including the cruise control, turn signals, radio, wipers, power windows, door locks, high and low beams, and all the gauges. One of the standout aspects of this F350 is its condition. The body shows no rust holes anywhere, and the interior is exceptionally well preserved, about as clean as one could hope to find.
Number 8.
1971 Dodge D150, price $8,500. This truck is a classic one-owner 4x4 long bed pickup, finished in blue with a matching blue interior that reflects the truck's vintage charm. Under the hood, it carries the dependable 225/6 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, delivering the kind of simple reliability Dodge was known for. Running on gasoline, this truck still starts up with ease and drives smoothly, showing the durability of its design. With its long bed for extra utility, solid drivetrain, and authentic early 70s styling, it represents both a capable work vehicle and a piece of classic Dodge history that has been well cared for over the years.
Number 9.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. With 288,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives with its dependable 5.7L V8 paired to an automatic transmission. The truck wears a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and uniform look that stands out even today. Although it is being sold as a project, the body is very clean with almost no rust, making it an excellent foundation for restoration or customization. Mechanically, it will need a new flex plate and water pump, but once those items are addressed, it has the potential to be a strong and reliable driver again. Inside, the truck retains its original convenience features, including power windows and power door locks, both of which are still in working order.
Number 10.
1976 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,000. It has 92,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it is powered by a reliable 292/6 engine paired with a 700R4 transmission. The truck runs, drives, and stops as it should, though it still needs a few finishing touches to be fully road-ready. Its wheels have been painted to match the body, but the current tires are very old 16.5s. A set of 2,500 aluminum stock wheels will also be included with the truck, though they too will require fresh rubber. Structurally, the frame is solid, while the body shows some rust in typical areas such as the battery tray, behind the rear wheels, the passenger rocker, and the bottoms of the front fenders.